Alright, so in today's video we're going to change out the cabin air filter on the 2021 F-150. Calling this Zezut cabin air filter, and it should be the same for the 22, 23 as well. So let's go ahead and get right to it. And once you open it up, you can see these right here. All you have to do is just press them in and they come right off. And it's the same thing for the other side, okay? Once you do that, all you need to do is pull this out, pull it back, and all you need to do is just pull this back, kind of wiggle it out a little bit carefully. You don't want to break these plastic hinges. So there you go. So the way you install this one, it does say air inlet side up. So what we want to do is this right here, just install it with this loop towards the back, so that when you go access it and change it out, you can pull it out using this loop. So just like that. And there it is, installed. Now all we have to do is put this back. Just push it down a little bit and it snaps. These tabs are the ones that will go in those slots. And that's it. There you go. By the way, check out how nasty and dirty this cabin air filter was. Just shot. I can't even believe I was driving around with this, you know, breathing this in, so that's pretty nasty. Yeah, so this is definitely going into the trash. Anyways, thank you guys for checking it out. If you did like it, leave a like, share, subscribe, comment down below. If you have any questions, I will gladly answer them. And stay tuned for more videos. There's gonna be some more videos like this, and of Justin's shop, Mark's shop as well. So stay tuned for that. Maybe other kind, I don't know. Maybe vlogs, I'm not sure. Give me a comment down below if you would like to see somewhat like a vlog style video again, kind of like POV driving while vlogging. But anyway, that'll be all, guys. Happy New Year. It is the new year, so with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one.